Hello friends, welcome back to the learning platform of Skills OK. In the last class, we learned about alphabet, letters, vowels and consonants. If any of you has not watched my last video yet, you can watch it from the link in the description below. In this class, we are going to learn about the magic of letters. Many of you would already know about the use of letters. Letters are used to form a word, or if I say it in a more simple way, letters are used to make a word. But this does not mean that you put any letter anywhere and it will form a word. To form a correct, meaningful word, you need to arrange these letters systematically. Let's understand this with an example. Here we take all the letters of the English alphabet. I will take 4 letters from it. F, G, I and T. What is this? Is it a word? Does this have a meaning? It contains consonants and a vowel too, but still meaningless. To make it meaningful, we have to arrange these letters in a proper manner. Let's shuffle these words. See? Same letters, or you could say same consonants or vowels, but here we have a word which have a meaning. The word is gift. G-I-F-T. So, it is very important to arrange the letters in a systematic manner to form a word, or you could say to form a correct word. Moving forward to group of words. What happens if we combine a few words together? Nothing happens. Many of you would have been thinking that it will form a sentence. But no, this is not correct. To form a sentence, we have to arrange these group of words in a systematic manner. Let's take an example. Here are a few words. The children playing are. Now what is this? Is this a sentence? Does this have any meaning? This is just a meaningless group of words. To make it a meaningful sentence, let's rearrange these words. The children are playing. Now, this is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words arranged systematically which help you to express your feelings or thoughts. Now, this does not mean that it is everything to make a sentence. To form a sentence or to frame a sentence, you need to follow many other rules and regulations which we are going to learn in our upcoming classes. Now, let's talk about a paragraph. What will happen if we combine 2 or more sentences together? They will form a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences that help to write a short or a long story. Let's take an example. I went to a restaurant to have dinner with my family last night. The dinner was very tasty. The restaurant was beautiful too. See, these are 3 different sentences that are combined together to form a paragraph. This is how a paragraph is framed. In this sentence, you can see that letters formed words, words formed sentences, and sentences framed a paragraph. Now, let's have a look at all the letters once again on our screen. As of now, you must have understood the concept of letters, words, sentences, and paragraph. Now, let's shuffle all these letters and try to frame a single sentence that contains all the 26 letters in it. Is it possible? Wait. What is happening in this image? A quick brown fox is jumping over the lazy dog. Oh God, we got a sentence. A quick brown fox is jumping over the lazy dog. Now read this sentence carefully. We have got all our 26 letters in a single sentence. These kind of sentences are called as pangram. I'm sure you must have understood what pangram is. A pangram is a sentence that contains all the 26 letters. Before we end this class, I have a question for you. Can you tell me some other pangram sentences? I repeat, can you tell me some other pangram sentences? If you like the class, do click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Skills OK.